part 1 of my new scrunchie series for thin fine hair. In this series, I am going to be showing you a different hairstyle in every part that you can do using just a satin scrunchie. Satin scrunchies are great for a thinner, finer hair type because the hair is typically fragile, and a satin scrunchie is super gentle on the hair. One thing to keep in mind is the scrunchies that I'm using are quite small. If you don't have a lot of hair, you're going to want a smaller size scrunchie so that when you tie it twice, it's going to be tight enough. So if I wrap this scrunchie, it's on my finger once, and I wrap it around my finger a second time, it's going to stay on. And that's how you know that this scrunchie is small enough that it's going to hold your hair. If you wrap the scrunchie around your finger twice and it just falls right off, let me see if I have a bigger one for an example. For example, this one, if I wrap it twice and I flip, it falls off. My hair is not going to hold when I wrap this scrunchie around my hair twice. The reason for that is a lot of these styles I do just wrapping the scrunchie twice. Now, if you have a scrunchie that's bigger, you can always wrap a third time, but some adaptations to the styles might be necessary. So the first scrunchie style we are going to do is a very simple, basic messy bun. The most basic messy bun that I can show you. We are going to start by pulling our hair up into a ponytail. You can do this with a brush or without a brush, it doesn't matter. It's a messy bun, so if you want your hair to be a little bit more on the messy side, you can. If you want your hair to be a bit more on the sleek side, you can. You can also leave your bangs out, or you can put them back, or you can pull your hairs down around your face. All of that is up to you. So we're gonna put our hair in our hand, and we're gonna put our scrunchie over top like we're making a ponytail, and then on the second time, we're only gonna pull our hair halfway through, just like that. But we're not going to stop there. We are going to fluff and pull our bun now. So we're going to pull side to side, but when we pull side to side, we're also going to kind of pull forward. So side to side, but also forward. And then we're also going to pull side to side from more inside the bun, not only from the edges, but from the center as well. Pulling side to side. We're also going to do a little bit of front to back. We're going to be careful with the front to back because we don't want to pull the ends out of the bun. But we're just going to manipulate that hair until it feels nice and fluffy. And because we have a scrunchie in there, that's really going to help create a lot of volume because all that hair is sitting on top of the scrunchie. Now I am going to grab these hairs and I'm gonna pull at my base to make the base of my hair also nice and fluffy. I think that really adds a soft, messy element to this bun. You can add a bobby pin or two if your hair is really floppy. Okay, I know I said just a satin scrunchie, and you can do it with just a satin scrunchie, but you could also add a couple of bobby pins on the perimeter just to keep it in place. Do keep in mind, if you have thinner, finer hair like I do, you're probably going to be able to see the scrunchie from certain angles. I always suggest you either pick one that matches your hair or a pretty color that matches your outfit because you're probably going to see it, but that's okay. It's not like someone doesn't know you're using something to tie your hair up. I will show you from the back. And there we go. That is part 1 of scrunchie hairstyles for your thin, fine hair. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments if you try this one out and how it works for you. I love hearing from you guys. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos I post every week. And like and subscribe if you haven't already done so to help me grow my channel here at DIY Hair School. Bye guys.